Hi everybody, this is Suzanne Hiron from Mamie Papyrus. Today I want to talk to you about the mini glue dots. I love these little darlings on my project, but today I want to give you some tips on how to use them to prevent any frustration you could have with these little sticky guys. So let's get started. Let's talk about these mini glue dots. The first thing I want to share with you is actually that you don't have to take them off the strip to use them. Actually, you're supposed to take the paper and apply it to the glue dot, like this. So here's your glue dot, other glue dot, and we're ready to apply it. If the glue dot seems to have a hard time coming off the strip, just put your finger underneath. It may be that the room is a little cool. It's still winter in Canada, so the room may be a little cool. So if you apply the heat of your finger under the glue dot, it'll warm it up and it'll apply more easily. So here you go. Done. So next you have an embellishment. You have a bow, you have ribbon. You apply the ribbon to the glue dot, pull it off. We're going to position it behind our cardstock where we want the ribbon to go. Use another glue dot for the other side. And we're done. Now let's do the bow. Take the bow, apply it to the glue dot, and here you have it. So, you know, this ribbon seems to be a little loose here. So if you need to apply a glue dot to hold it down, you just take your pick tool with the paper piercing side and position your glue dot under the ribbon and it won't budge. There you go. Another tip is to use your glue dots to create embellishments that you don't have. So for example, here's a paper punched piece of cardstock, the shimmery white cardstock, and I'm just applying it to the glue dot here, and I've just created my very own bling for my cardstock. There you go. So this piece of wax paper can get in the way when you're working, so I suggest that you keep it in place. You have to have this wax paper over the glue dot. If you don't, the glue dots will stick to the box and they'll be wasted. You don't want to waste these little darlings. They're precious. So I'm taking a piece of ribbon. I'm going to tie a square knot to hold it down. And there you go. This time you only take it to the glue dot when you need it. And you can tear off the excess, but your glue dots will be protected. So there you go. A few tips to help you use your glue dots, prevent frustration, and get the most out of your box. There's 300 of these. They're amazingly strong for their size. So they're really good value for adhesive. I hope you enjoyed this tip. If you did, subscribe to my channel for more and leave me a comment. I'd be happy to respond. Thanks for sharing your time with me. See you next time.